Good morning. Welcome to mboptiontrader. This is Shiva. Day 82 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakh challenge. You can say market open. I was just trying to enter the trade. Okay, it's order falling. Actually, we missed the opportunity. We have to enter early. Okay, you can say. Okay, it's order falling. I think it might be chance take some support. Let me exit. We want to re-enter the trade once again. Okay, you can say I just exit the trade. Here you can see it's already falling. So there is no scope to continue fall. It might be chance take some support from the 1 minute time frame. Create any retracement confirmation. We will re-enter the time once again. Okay, again say it tried to fall. So that's why we will re-enter the same trade once again. Okay, as previous said, we exited it. Reason might be fall. You can see as expected already fall. So again taking support. So that's why we enter. Below we're gonna place our SL. Once it give me confirmation, I'll gonna place my SL. So I can see. Mostly whenever we try to place a SL, it try to trigger our SL, then it try to move in our way. So I don't know what happened. Might be some volatile issue. Past 2 days same happening. Is falling more than what we expecting from the option chart. Okay, chala. Once it get confirmed, we'll update. Okay, I can say. Let me show you the analysis before the placing itself. You can say open, continue for I said try to bullish again. Bearish engulfing created, then continue as a dojing. So once the breaking the doji, we enter the trade. It has to be fall, break the below zone. That's why. Okay, you can see the trade got started. That's why updating my SL. Okay, so let me best. Because the volatility, that's why we have to waiting for the confirmation of the candle. Most of the time what happened, the spots are still pending the SL, but options are falling. You have to be careful. Okay, you can see. Expecting to break the day low. You can see 1 minute time frame created a good doji. So continue with a reversal hammer. So exact moment has to fall and break this zone. Once it break this zone, we expected a fall on this one. Because past few days marked in a range, so expecting a continued fall, and also marked it to all-time high in Bank Nifty. We are close to all-time high in Nifty and Sensex also. Okay, concern is a major zone. Previous to be continued bullish, so there is no pretestment between the range. So expecting this one our first target. Okay, I'll be talking as said. How a second trigger has been previously. It might be chance where heavy volatility. Before spots are triggering the my SL, options triggering. Okay, concern. Still pending in spot charts, but option chart was already trigger the SL. Maybe some volatility or some BIX effect also. So let's wait for it. Okay, let me show you the order book. Okay, you can see an entry, an exit, and the final position. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, previous set we're looking for a bearish trend because market all-time high, might be chance for continue fall. You can see previous SL got trigger again create a piercing pattern breaking the neck. That's why we enter. Once a below zone break, we can expect a good fall downside, and this is going to our target. But it might be chance for a support also. That's why the biggest problem. Okay, you can see I said it might be taking some support. Okay, if it takes some support, we'll want to exit this trade. Shall I taking some support? Okay, shall I exit? Okay, you can see as the previous set market open, continue fall, try to bullish, again fall, day low broken. Right now exact that zone, you can see the black zone the previously show you already, the major zone. So same place again taking support and creating a trend line. It heights and it might be take some support and continue bullish, break the day high and this about 200 EM also. The plan was actually I enter this particular trade in here, but I already missed the opportunity. If I enter the SL won't be too long, so I don't want to take much risk. And this time, that's why I'm not entering this trade. If I want to break the day high and creating any sell sign, we want to enter and we want to place above the SL. So let's wait for it. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, you can see in option chart you can see try to break the 200 EMA and created a hammer and continue break the the small portion of this zone. So we're gonna place our SL below this hammer, and as previously said, we not enter the call side option reason. It high chance we're gonna expecting a bearish side only. That's why we not enter. And as I said previous also, day high gonna break and created any sales and we gonna enter. You can say the exact moment as I said took this upper and continue bullish and breaking the day and previous closing also working at resistance. Same place creating a red candle. That's why we enter. Okay, you can see spots are still pending, but options are trying to fall. In case our SR got triggered, we'll think about the re-enter or not. Okay, too close. If SR got triggered, we are planning to re-enter the trade. I don't know, man. It has to be fall exact this moment. In 1 minute time frame, it's already given a confirmation, and 5 minutes also. Always the closing work as the resistance for the today base intraday. So I'm expecting it has to be fall. Okay, too close. So let's wait for it. Chalo. Most is going to trigger our trial. Okay, as I said, SR got triggered. The analysis was correct. Okay, it happened. Okay. So we'll re-enter. Once we give confirmation of the bearish trend, we'll re-enter the once again the trade with same strike price. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, as previous said, it might be chance to take some retracement and expect a continue for save. Our SI got triggered. Try to bullish and SI got triggered. Again fall. Again try to bullish. Again trying to fall. So we got see is consider tabletop pattern. Once that neck break, we can expect a good fall downside also. So I'm expecting going to create a wick and break the previous candle and create a reversal hammer and daily going to be our first target. And mostly it has to be fall. In case it's get reversal triggered our SL. So high chance there is no strength in the market. So we can expect today consolidation market or a volatile market. Below this candle we want to place our SL. So let's wait for it. Okay, you can see it tried to break the 200 EMA. So as said previously, once break we want to exit the market. Let me exit and as I just exited. We tried creating a fake break at both sides. So okay, let me enter. And this is going to be mostly going to be lost it. So you can see same place previous set. It died by chance. Continue fall. You can see bank not fall. Took the support. Then continue break the day and took the resistance and fall very angle phenomena. And create a green candle try to break the previous both candle low. So expect a continue fall and break the day low. And expected a the second target this one also. This has a major support. So that's why. I don't know why it triggered my SL. I can create a pattern, same pattern. You can see from the market open we enter the analysis, everything is good. We enter only as we plan, as we our strategy. But I don't know. You try to trigger our SL, then continuing fall. You can ask me the question. Okay, if you want, you can hold. You know it's going to be a fall end up there. Why don't you hold the trade? No, it's not. It's not going to work like that. You have to accept your SL. You have to follow the rules. You come to SL. If you think market want to fall, so you want to hold the trip, it's not going to possible because if the market continue bullish and move away 500,000 points, your entire capital going to be collapsing in just one trade. So you have to accept SL. Just try to place your SL, no matter what it is. Just place your SL. That's it. It's okay. We can re-enter the trade once again. Okay, it's not matter about the re-enter the trade. We'll re-enter multiple times, or it's okay. But you have to follow the strategy. You can see from the starting of the market, we every time we enter, there is a reason why we are enter, and we are following the same strategy. Previously, we make a good profit on this particular strategy. So we are following the same rules also. But maybe as said previously also, it might be expected in consolidation and volatility market also. This is the disadvantage about the option bias. In consolidation and volatility market, you're gonna trigger both side our results. This is the biggest problem if come to an option buyer. Okay, you can see the spot is not moving, so I'm exiting the trade because the spots are not moving, options are falling. So that's why. Okay, let me enter. Mostly it's going to be last trade. So you can see we already crossed the daily limit also. So I don't want to continue much trade. That's why. Let me show you why I entered this particular trade. Okay, you can see call to the support, try to update. Here our SL got here. Again here one more SL got. Then continue fall, break the low. You can see the first candle they open always work as support and resistance. If you can see it open up day down, so we consider support. Same page again taking support. Expecting market to break the day high and try to bullish continue minimum 12 o'clock. Then we can gonna exit market. Okay, you can see created a one more pattern in a head and shoulder pattern and breaking neck. That's why we enter this particular trade. Okay, you can see exactly it created a head and shoulder pattern and break the neck. That's why we enter in this trade. Chalo, this 200 EMA going to my target. Let's wait for it. Okay, you can see daily frame also all time high, second all time high, fall and try to bullish again, break the low and fall. Previous major role broken again, we taking support from the previous major support, so expecting it has to be bullish. Once the day high break, we can expect a good target. Below will go pace over SR. Okay, you can see the spot shouldn't try to move, so that's why we're updating. It has to be bullish exact this moment, but if not moving, try to create dozy. So I'm not expecting it's going to be move upside or downside heights and it's going to be consolidation. So I don't want to continue with it. So okay, once you give me, I'll exit. Okay, once you confirmation, we'll exit. Okay, you can see. Let me exit. Exited. 1 second. Okay, exited. Reason you can see. The market has to move, it's got to move continuously. What you can say? It creating a good evening star pattern and this candle, okay, reversal hammer. It's a sign of downside. It might be chance fall or it might be consolidation. So I'm not, feeling well because I already crossed the daily limit and not marketing. It's not working on my way. We followed every strategy from the morning. Every gut failed. That's why we exited. I can say. 1 second. Okay, this is all the trade we entered and we exited. We already traded 10 trades today. So if you are feeling overtrade, I know we follow the strategy. That's a good thing who happened today. So this it is. Let me show you the final position and we booked the loss of 14,000. Okay. Let me explain one thing. You can see we're falling, so we entered exact this moment our SA got triggered. Okay, because it has to be fall, but SA got triggered. Same happened. We expect it gonna fall again. Exact this moment our SA got triggered. In spot chart is still pending, but option our SA got. You can see here it took the resistance from the same day high. We entered exact this moment again. Then is a peg breakout triggered our SA here. Then we're waiting for the confirmation. Once it give me confirmation of the bearish next candle, again we enter. 1 second. It creating a reverse hammer, we enter. Again try to bullish, triggered our SL. So mark continue malpetting. So here it is. It has to be take support and continue bullish. Exact this moment, I entered. You can see I created a doji. Try to break. I said previously, in worst thing about the option bears, consolidation volatile market. You want to get both side our SLs. So I'm expecting going to consolidate. I don't want to continue trade today. So I'll feel overtrade if I continue. End up with a loss only. So chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.